Instagram has introduced a new sticker for stories specifically made for challenges. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the new challenge sticker for Instagram stories. Now let's get started. To begin, open Instagram and start creating a story how you normally would. You can use this sticker over any story type. Once you've created your photo, video, boomerang, or create slide about the challenge, tap the sticker icon at the top. Now select Challenge. You can type in the hashtag for the challenge you're posting about in the top text box. The word challenge will automatically be added to the end. Alternatively, you can scroll sideways to check out existing challenge hashtags and tap one to select it. Next, type usernames for people you want to tag to do the challenge in the bottom text box. When you see the account of the person you want to tag appear below, you can tap their profile icon to save you from typing in the rest of their username. Tag as many people as you'd like. You can change the color of the hashtag text by tapping the colored dot at the top. When you're finished, tap Done in the top right corner. You can then move and resize this sticker by dragging and adjusting with 2 fingers. When you're happy with how your story looks, you can post it to your story. The people you've tagged will be notified that you've tagged them in a story post. When people watch your story, if they tap the sticker you've posted, they can watch the hashtag story or select Try This Challenge to start creating their own story post with that sticker already added. That's all it takes to use the Instagram Stories Challenge sticker. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.